Hello and welcome back again, my friend. This is Thomas with you again. We came back in another video, guys, to analyze for you here the S&P 500 index fund, the Nasdaq 100 index, plus the Bitcoin, because as you know, after European market close, that's what else we're doing. Then when after the daily candle close, we're going to come back to you. We analyze for you only the Bitcoin, guys. So let's start, guys. As you see here, guys, that the S&P 500 and the one what me I told you before, I told you we got here a up channel like that, guys. As you see it, I told you if it came and breaking down here, we will enter short. Till now it doesn't break yet, guys, as you see it. But here in the top, look at it, what it give us here. It give us here triple top. That one, it's something bad, guys. But let's wait in if we are going to break down or no, because that level where we are now, it's very stronger, guys. And here, as you see, I showed it to you in the last video, you got a very stronger supply and demand zone, as you see it here before, here and here and here and even here. And now that the third time when it touched it and it couldn't break it. So now let's see if we are going to break down or no. And here, in that place, where is the price now? As you see it, what you got there, you got a triangle, guys, an inverted triangle. So even that one is a price action. If that one came and break down, that meant another price. But me personally, I'm waiting that one. That one here, because it's the same. You are here in a trend line here and even here. So either if it's breaking down here, if it's breaking that 200 moving average, it's going to fall down, guys. So let's wait in the coming days what they are going to do. Till now, also we stay here. There is nothing new changing, guys. And that candle here, it's left for it 1 hour something, and that candle it's showing there like a pin bar. There is nothing new, guys, here in the 4 hours, so you need to wait in a little bit. It's our indicator what it's saying, guys, for picture to be more clear to you. Our indicator, guys, as you see it, it's being here at the overbought area, as you see it, and you got there a price action like that. If it's complete and break down here, yes, you can enter short, guys, but till now there is no entry short. Till now that one is just an oscillator, and I tell you that before, I tell it to you thousands of times. You need to wait in the price action. If there is no price action, there is no entry, and that's what me have been telling you. If it doesn't, either that one, that triangle, or that inverted triangle, that one or that one, you put both of them and you need to wait when it's going to be broken. If it's broken down here, you enter short. Everything is too clear, guys. So I think that's it for the S&P 500. By the way, you, yes, you, my friend, are you not yet subscriber? Make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos, guys. Also, guys, every day putting for you 2 videos. Every day 2 videos. So like that, you're going to be very well updated about what the market is doing. It's not something hard, my friend. Just a red button down, click at it, next to it a bell, turn it to all. So like that, when we put in something new, you're going to be notified. Or you can even join us in Telegram. The link of our Telegram is in the first comment. You done it? Welcome to the family, my friend. So here, guys, there is nothing new. As I showed to you, guys, there is nothing new. Unless if that one came and break in here in the top. If that one came and breaking here in the top, that's another story. We are going to go till that level here. But even here, we got a very stronger supply and demand zone, guys, as you see it here, where we fall down from here. So till now, also, we're still here in a downtrend. And as I tell it to you before, the entry it's being from here. Now we are here in the top. There is no entry now. Now you need to wait in the market to reverse and you to enter from the oversold area. There is no entry from overbought area, guys. Everything is too clear, guys. Now let's go in to see the Nasdaq 100, guys, what it's saying, what it's doing today. So let's go in there. Here we are in the Nasdaq, guys. By the way, there is no big difference between them. The only thing here, as you see it, you are in a very stronger supply and demand zone. And you are even in the 200 moving average, as you see it. By the way, all those ones, they are in the 4 hours time frames. So what can we say? Over here, it show more clear picture. There is a reverse is coming, guys. Then the S&P 500. Why? Because look here what you got. You got here a very clear triple top, guys, as you see it. But till now it's not yet, guys. Till now it's not yet. Look here. Look with me here. Look with me here. As you see it, you are in a very stronger supply and demand zone, guys. Till now, also we haven't entered in a bear market. Till now, also we still sideways, guys. it might you're going to see it from here going upward, guys. So what should you do now here? You need to wait in the price action. Where is the price action? Look with me here and look with me here, guys. What you got here? You got a triangle, guys, an inverted triangle, like I will show it to you in the SP500. Now that one, if it's breaking down, it might is going to fall down, guys. Maybe till here, but till now, also we haven't changed the trend line, guys. And let me show you something very more clear here. What it's showing to you guys here. Look with me here, that the bigger picture. Look here. You've been in a downtrend, another downtrend. Here, what it's showing, guys? Another high. So there is another low is coming, guys. Not the clear picture for US stocks, because as I showed you yesterday in fundamental, the Fed it hasn't pivoted yet, and macroeconomical and the fundamental, it doesn't look like the Fed is going to pivot this month. So I think picture is too clear, guys. By the way, did you smash the like button, my friend? Yes, you watching me now. Pause the video now, smash the like button, writing down a comment, support us, guys. You done it? Thank you very much, my friend. Let's see our indicators, guys, what the same for the picture to be more clear to you. Our indicator is the same thing, guys. Also, we are here at the overbought area. Level, we are in a very stronger level. As you see it, even the 200 moving average is a very stronger level. Price action, we show you that one. You got here a triple top. So you need to come down here to that place here. And you draw in a line like that. And you wait it to get broke down. If it's broke down, you enter short. Take profit of you. It needs to be here down at the oversold area, guys. So here in the Nasdaq, guys, you just looking for short opportunity. And even for stock market, that means there is more bear market, guys. There is more stocks, they will fall down. Everything is too clear, guys. Now let's go into the Bitcoin in the 4 hours to see what is it there for picture to be more clear to you guys. Here we are, guys, in the Bitcoin in the 4 hours. Here in the 4 hours, it came something, what can we say, is not good today for the Bitcoin. Look what the Bitcoin gave us here. Look with me and look with me, guys. Give you here a head and shoulder, as you see it. Try not to draw in the top of it. The neckline, is it down here? It's getting broke, guys. It's getting broke here by that candle. So they take profit for that one. You came like that and you do it like that. Maybe it will go till here, till that level. Here as you see it, and that's something very bad, guys, but that if you want to be scalper and something like that. But for swing trading, what me I told you, even here in the Bitcoin, what did I show you here? We do it like that, guys. Yes or no? We came here and we draw here a channel like that, and as you see now, you are in the down of that channel, guys. As you see it how we draw it, you are now in the down of it. Now for swing trading, you need to wait in a candle to open here and to close here, and that candle, it needs to be like that, bigger candle. Because those levels, if there is no big volume, guys, there is no entry. Look here with me here, what you see in here. Here, in that level here, the candle will break in here. It's been very big, guys. Yes or no? Let me show it to you. Look here, guys. Here, in that level me I'm talking about. Here, you see that candle here, that green one, how it came. It came with power. It's a big candle, guys. Yes or no? Not the candles, they break in the levels. Not a small candle. Like those ones now, no one of them it will break in now. And even by not, no one of them it will break in. The candle which is breaking is that one. That red one, like here. That one it's breaking. What it's breaking? It's breaking that level we used to be here in it. Now, you see it here? That one, that red candle here, it's breaking that level, guys. Picture is too clear, guys? So now what the view, I think, is going to make like that, and it's going to fall down. And me I'll show you till where? Till here. Till that low here. By the way, someone, he asked me where is exactly. Is it at 16K 436? 16,423, guys. Picture is too clear? So me personally, I think the Bitcoin, it will go till here. Till that level here. I tell it to you, the Bitcoin, guys, it will go till here, till that level here. From that level where we are, it will fall down till here, till 16,423, guys. Everything is too clear, guys. Now let's see our indicators, what they say in here in the 4 hours for the picture to be more clear to you. Here in the 4 hours, guys, our indicator, as you see it, it came breaking down the trend line here. That's something very bad, guys. Then today he break for us that level here. By the way, that candle here, that red candle will break, is down on the power of it. It's breaking that level between the bulls and the bears. So now also we're changing from the bulls to the bears, guys. And if you remember, also we used to have here a divergence. What me I told you about the divergence? I told you those ones, they are just oscillator. We need the price action to confirm it for us. And now the price action is confirmed for a short term, but to fall down more, it needs to break for us that channel where we are. Everything is too clear, guys. Now let's go into see our other indicator, what it's saying for picture to be more clear to you. That one here, the same thing, guys. Also, we used to be here at the overbought area. Price action, you see that one here, that head and shoulder, now I'll show you. Plus, also still waiting the break here. That one here, if it came and break in here, we'll enter short here. Like how we enter before, we used to be here. People they begin with us where we enter from here till here. That's a swing trading, a nice swing trading. Now also we wait in that one, that up channel we got, because we are in a up channel, guys. That way me, I'm still waiting that one to get broke. Because if you see it, look here, high, came down, give you a low. Now he give you another high. Now maybe that one just another low. Then after that, you're going to see it going to give you another high. Yes or no? That's why me, I'm waiting the trend line here to be broken. If it's not, maybe from here, you're going to see it going upward, guys. Yes or no? But now it's going to go till here, till here. And if it go down till here, it's going to be breaking that channel. Also we waiting here for the trend line. Also we waiting here, and we're going to enter short. We are very, very close. You just need to looking at the market, what it's doing. Everything is too clear, guys. Now let's go into 30 minutes to see what is it there for the picture to be more clear to you and to see if there is any scalping opportunity for today. Here we are in 30 minutes, guys. In 30 minutes, as we said before, from here we need to enter long, yes or no? And we enter, yes or no? When it's breaking here, sorry about my drawing, when it's breaking here, we enter long. You can find it in the last video here. We came down till here. We said it's still early, and also we put in the stop loss down. Now it's hitting for us the stop loss. That's something bad, guys. But it's okay. That's a part of trading, guys. Now, what you got here, look with me here. As you see it, guys, you got a down channel here. You see it or not? Here and here and here. We got here a down channel. So the Bitcoin here in 30 minutes, it's showing us we are in a down trend, guys. Yes or no? And look, we're breaking that level here in 30 minutes, as you see it. When we break it, look what happened here. Bitcoin, it fall down till here, then it came back, it touched that level, and he couldn't break it again. Now for us to know that one is going to fall down more, it's need to come and to break for us here that level here of 16,709, or that last low here. You see it or no? That last low here, if the Bitcoin do like that and came and break it here, it's going to give you a lower low. So us here in 30 minutes, what should we do, guys? Is nothing to do here in 30 minutes. Let's see our indicators for the picture to be more clear to you. Here in 30 minutes, it's showing us we are here at the oversold area, so we need to look in here for buy opportunity. The buy opportunity for us is it that one, that channel. If it came and break it up, we can enter long, but till now it doesn't show and it's going to break it. Here it's showing it's going down. So let's wait and know what's going to happen, guys. Everything is too clear, guys. So that's it for that video, guys. See you after the daily candle. Finish it, guys. Bye for now, guys.